Good morning students, welcome to online classes presented by Mr. Ravi S. Kumbar, lecturer in Department of Studies in Commerce, KLS Gupta College of Commerce, Belgaum. So dear students, in today's class we are going to discuss about a very important topic, that is reasons for emergence of modern retailing formats. So today we are going to discussing this. And before going to discuss the reasons for emergence of modern retailing aspect, so we discussed in the yesterday class, in the previous classes, many more things such as retail format means what, the types of retail formats, and in that organized and unorganized we completed successfully. And let us move with a new topic, that is reasons for emergence of modern retailing format. See, first we have to understand the concept of reasons of emergence of modern retailing formats. See, कहने का मतलब ये है, the reason means the what are the way, what are the methods, what are the reasons to bring out the modern retailer formats. That is the concept of the emergence. Emergence means what, to come out, bring. So what we have to bring, what are the reasons to bring the modern retailing format, what are the reasons to implement the or to bring out, to come out the modern retailing formats. That is the main basic of this. It means why we are going to implementing the, why we are going to adopt it, or why we are going to take down or accepting the or implementing the or bring out the modern retailer formats. So there is a two main reasons. The first one, we have a many opportunities to bring the modern retailing formats. Another one is we have a many challenges for the development of organized retail in the formats. Because we have opportunities, because of that we are the bringing the modern retailing formats, as well as we are going to bring out the we have many challenges. Because of that, to beating the challenges, we are going to implementing the, we are going to carry forward the modern retailing formats. I think you clear about the concept of reasons for emergence of modern retailing format. Very simple. What are the reason to come out the modern retailing formats? It means why we are going to adopting, why we are going to accepting the modern retailing formats, because of certain opportunities, because of certain challenges, we are going to come out the, we are going to bringing, we are going to adopt the modern retailing formats. See, and let us start with the first one. What are those opportunities? See, opportunities, we have a many opportunities. In that we have to discuss some of them. Large size of population, deserve the demography and culture, and rural India and agriculture, increasing income level, nuclear family, urbanization, and growth of middle consumers. So because of these all opportunities, we are going to adopting the modern retailing formats. And today class we completed opportunities. Next class we have to complete about the challenges. If you completed these reasons, the second chapter is completed. This question may be asked for 50 marks also. Explain the reasons for emergence of modern retailing formats. You can explain both the concept. So let us start with the first opportunity. And again, to interact about the opportunities, see, retail rating agency called have a many growth in India. So whatever the retail rating in nowadays in India, it is too much the growth of for in India. For example, area like apples, electronic fashions and lifestyles, e-commerce, along with the food and grocery, are consistently expected to expand their organizations in the market shares. So because of that, again your e-tailing, that is retailing through internet, is expected to become a popular in India. So we have already experiencing web-based shopping experience through e-agencies like Quikr.com, Mytra.com, etc. These are the opportunities, these are the base for the development of the emergence of modern retailing formats. So based on that, because we already have experience regarding Quikr and Mytra, Amazon, these are the best sources, the best experience to implementing the modern retail formats. So the first opportunity is what? A large size of a population. See, dear students, in population tenure, India is the second largest country in the world. As you know already, India is the largest second country in the world. and reaching 130 millions of the people. So within that, the size of the younger population with less than 25 years ago, the group is estimated is at more than 50%. So whatever the 25 years age people, they have 50%. So for that, the market will have large number of customers who have wide range of demand that creates the opportunity for growth in the organized retail aspects. So because of that, so large size of population is one of the best opportunity to implementing to bring down the modern retailing formats. Because in 130 crore million people, 25 years age group is estimated, the 50%. In that 130 crore people, the 50% of peoples are what? 25 years age. So those people taste, wants and demands are different. Those people, the youngsters, as you know, you and we all are youngsters. So our expectations, our demands are totally different. So because of that, to justifying or to satisfy those type of people, we are going to implementing the modern retailing format. So this is one of the opportunity. And we'll move to the second one. What is that? Deserved demography and culture. See, India has rich and diversified culture with variety in consumption and habits. The people belonging to the different states like Punjabi, Marathi, Tamil and Bengali have a different lifestyle and also different consumption habits also. So apart from this, they celebrate festivals round the year and also the occasions like marriage, birth, even in the death also. Each occasion demands expenditure on the consumption on food, cloth, jewelry, etc. So these are different, and this gives a better opportunity for the growth of Indian retail. Because of that only, this is one of the opportunity. In simple scenario, I will tell you. See, India have a diversified culture because we have a different cultured people in India. So those people, customs, norms and traditions are different. So according to the customs, norms and traditions, the food system, their culture, their habits will be different. So according to their customs and norms and traditions, they will be follow that. So that is one of the advantages. The culture is one of the advantages to implementing the modern retailing formats. We'll move to the next one, that is rural India and agriculture. See, according to the rural India and agriculture, one of the best example and opportunity for the retailing format. They constitute more than 60% of India's size and population Indian farmer and is exploited by middlemen as gets only 1/3 of selling price for his product and remaining 2/3 is enjoyed by the middlemen with no value addition to the product. So there is no sufficient growth in the logistics like warehousing, roadhouse, communication that is essential for the rural development. Because of that, organized retail has these opportunities for investing and developing infrastructure. Because of the retail helps the farmers buying directly from him by offering representative prices. So the rural marketing and rural India and rural agriculture, this is one of the opportunities. So what will happen in simple scenario, again I will explain that. In rural Indian agriculture, what will happen? In total in India, in total Indian population, the 60 to 70% is consist of farmers. But the whatever the farmers they are going to productivity, they are going to transfer or transport into the market, they are getting a middleman. But the middleman is taking 2/3 and 1/3 is given to what? Farmers. So in such cases, the farmers not getting sufficient price for those or their product. So when they will not get the sufficient price for their product, with that the modern retailing formats, we can develop the farmers as well as Indian retailing format also. So because of that, rural Indian concept, one of the opportunities. We will move to the next one, that is fourth one, increasing income level. See, size of middle class population is increasing in India, because when you take an example of the class level of people. In that, the middle level class people population is increasing in India. So it is estimated that India has around 40 crore population that can be classified under the middle level incomes. 100, in that 100%, the 40% people are comes under the what? The middle level. And it is the size of populations of America, they are the big spenders. The normal income level of every family is increasing with both spouse working, and people have more income to spend on their comfort, and luxurious organized retail can provide avenue for their spending the incomes. Because and nowadays the middle level class people expectations and the investment is more. And when you take an example of India, the in India 100 out of 100 people, 100%, in that 100%, the 40% is what? The middle class people. So these middle class people, there they have to increase their income. Husband and wife, spouse means husband and wife, they both together working. So whatever they are working, they are going to spending according to that, according to their expectations, according to their income level. So this is a best example increasing the income level, because when husband and wife both are working, their income is increases. When their income is increases, they are ready to invest, they are ready to expenses in the different aspects. So in that moment, we have to implementing the, we have to bring down the, or easily we have to come out the what? The retailing modern formats. We will move to the next one, that is a nuclear family. This is also very interesting point. What will happen to the nuclear family? See, joint family system is gradually disappearing nowadays. The concept of nuclear family, that is husband, wife and kids with everybody. So engaging there in jobs or in education also. Because of that, they don't have free time to go for shopping. Because of that, organized retailing in that form of departmental stores and hypermarket can provide the one stop solution to the make all their purchases comfortably and conveniently. Best example, e-tailing. So visit the website like Naptol, Quicker, they can solve their shopping problems sitting at home. And today what will happen, the nuclear family is one of the most best example, one of the best most opportunity for the implementing the modern retailing formats. But compared to joint family, what will happen in the joint family system is going to gradually is reducing or disappearing. That is helpful to implementing the modern retailing format, because the both husband and wife both are working, and they are not have free time to visit the shops. So in that moment, they will sit in home, they have to order the different kinds of goods and services. In that moment, this is one of the opportunity. We will move to the next, that is urbanization. So what will happen under the urbanization? See, the growing urbanization is creating opportunity for retailing market. So jaise market badte, that is one of the best opportunity for the implementing the modern retailing formats. And also the prospects of or getting the jobs in that cities and attracting of the city life is making a rural people to migrate to the urban centers, and further town areas are upgrading into the cities. With better urban look and infrastructure, peoples are becoming in urban. So because of that, sophisticated in their consumption habits, that is creating the opportunity for the retail marketing. So because nowadays the urbanization is going on, but the peoples are interested, they are moving from rural to urbanization, because the many opportunities, many things and sophisticated life and luxurious life enjoying, for that the peoples are moving to rural to urban. So when urban is increasing, the size of the urban is increases, that is helpful to implementing the modern retailing formats. The last one, growth of middle class or middle class consumers. Dear students, in India, the number of middle class consumers is growing rapidly. So how the middle class consumers is growing rapidly, that is one of the best opportunity for the implementing the or come out the modern retailing formats. With raising consumers demand and gather disposable income has given opportunity of retail industry to grow and proper the modern retailing formats. They expect the quality product at decent prices. Modern retailing offers a wide range of products and values added to the services to the middle level consumers. Because of that, how the middle class consumers growth is growing day by day, that is one of the best advantages or opportunity for the modern retailing format. The reason. So in today class we studied these all the opportunities in simple sense. See how the middle class consumers is growing, developing. So that is one of the helpful, because the middle level class people, how they are going to increasing their size. So according to that, their expectations is more. So whenever we want to justify those people expectation, that is the one of the opportunities. And like that, second one, urbanization. So how the city is going to increase is, according to the city increase, according to the people, city increase in the sense of what, the number of people will enter into the urbanizations. So because of that, the urbanization is going to increase. How the urbanization is going to increasing, the people expectations, people demand and people wants are increasing. So to justify those people needs and wants and demands, so we are moving towards what, modern retailing formats. And again, nuclear family. And as you know already, if you take an example, city or villages, today the nuclear families we are getting more number of nuclear families. Very less we are getting what, joint families. But when you look it about the nuclear family, in nuclear family what will happen? They both are working and there is not have time to spend together. So in that moment they will prefer to what, modern retailing formats, because of this one of the opportunities. And an increasing income level means what? According to that, the most of the middle class people, they are going to fighting for the incomes. So when both spouse are working, so their income is increases. How their income is increases? That is helpful to they can come into the what, the modern retailing aspects. They can buy the goods and services through modern aspects. And again, rural India, because agriculture is the best example for that. And diversity, the demographic, because if you take it India, in India have a different diversity culture, different diversity, the cultured people is there. So to justify the each people, if you take it Hindu people, Muslim and Christian and all, and those people, that food system is different. So this is also one of the best advantages or opportunities to implementing the modern retailing aspects. And large size of population is most important, because in India 130 crores, out of 130 crores million people, and we have a 50% of 20 age group people. So those age group people taste is moving through the modern retailing aspects. So as per the modern retailing, there is expectation. As per the modern people expectations, the modern retailing format is to be bring down or implemented. So in the next class, we are going to discuss about the challenges for the development. Thank you.